Tired of drowning in digital chaos? Let's unlock the earning potential of becoming a Zapier consultant and how you can transform digital messes into streamlined success. So, how much can you really make? The salary range for Zapier consultants is surprisingly wide, often between $50 to $200 per hour. This depends on several key factors. We'll dive in deeper. First, expertise. Are you a Zapier newbie or a seasoned pro? The more complex integrations you can handle, the higher your value. Specializing in specific industries, like e-commerce or marketing, can also boost your rates. Next, client base. A larger, more established client base obviously leads to more consistent income. Building strong relationships and securing referrals are crucial for long-term success. Don't forget that your networking abilities will play a big role in your income. Project complexity is also another key factor. A simple two-step app will naturally command a lower fee than a multi-layered, custom-built automation for a complex business process. Make sure you are charging accordingly to the amount of work involved. Becoming a Zapier consultant offers incredible flexibility and the potential for a lucrative income. So, get those apps flowing, build your expertise, and watch your earning potential soar.